A Hail Mary in football occurred last Sunday. I saw it and said, wow, the Chicago Bears makes 2 touchdowns. They move from 7 to 13. And the very few seconds at the end of the game, it's almost at the end of the game, there's a few more seconds more. The opposition there throws a 47-yard pass to a player in the end zone, and a bunch of people are waiting up for it, and the guy catches it. Why? Because somebody else in the Chicago Bears was over there when it should have been over here. Whoops-a-daisy! And somebody says, that's a Hail Mary thing. My God. Yes, God is involved in this one.